नहीं तो भेजा गया है, कुछ हुआ है, इसीलिए तो प्रतीक जैन के घर पे छापा पड़ा था। प्रतीक जैन के घर पे छापा ऐसे नहीं पड़ा था। और ममता बनर्जी ऐसे चोरों को बचाने के लिए वो दौड़ रही है, फाइल लेके दौड़ रही है।
Election Commission has appointed 4 IAS officers as special role observers as part of the SIR. 4 more IAS officers have been appointed.
The Election Commission is trying to make a flawless voter list or electoral roll, and for that they need, I think they need much more. If they need much more officers, they should also do so.
In a letter to Chief Election Commissioner Ganesh Kumar, Chief Minister yesterday, she has sent a letter and she's questioned about calling or asking Government Laureate or Amartya Sen to appear before the poll officials. This is a matter of profound shame.
No, the Mamata Banerjee is trying to create that kind of, that kind of picture. She is trying to draw this kind of picture that SIR doing this, SIR doing that. But being a Nobel laureate or anyone, whether they or he or she is above the law, let them ask. First, you ask this question to them, to Mamata Banerjee, whether Amartya Sen or anyone. I am not talking about Amartya Sen, but anyone who is special, is he or she above the law? Even Prime Minister of this country cast his own vote by standing in a queue. So this is the rule of the democracy.
So following the situation, do you think Election Commission is able to conduct free and fair poll in the state?
They have to do so because it is the demand of the democracy. The election should be free and fair, and it should be devoid of any kind of violence. Violence is not at all acceptable in democracy. Violence has no place in democracy.
Is there any demand to pre-deployment of paramilitary force in the state?
That will depend upon the Election Commission of India. They have to decide. They have to decide. But at least after the election, the paramilitary force should remain in the state for several months. देखिए, बहुत सारे ट्रेन चालू होने वाला है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के करकमल द्वारा 17 तारीख को जब वो मालदा में आएंगे, उनके द्वारा बहुत सारे ट्रेनों का अनाउंसमेंट होगा। उत्तर बंगाल के लिए इतने सारे ट्रेनों का स्वागत इससे पहले किसी भी सरकार के समय किसी भी रेल मंत्री ने नहीं किया। इसलिए हमारे तरफ से, उत्तर बंगाल के लोगों के तरफ से, बंगाल के लोगों के तरफ से आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को और आदरणीय रेल मंत्री जी अश्विनी वैष्णव जी को, दोनों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।